everyone, today is Monday, and I think that in this video I won't record as much as in the previous one, and instead just show my RPG. If I won't have time for it, which is possible because I have some tests coming and everything else, then this video is going to be short. But if I will find the time, then I'll focus just on that. For some reason today is an active day for people to contact me. I got one comment on my post and two modelers wrote me an email, and with one of them I'm currently beginning to work together. Today is Tuesday, and number one, unfortunately I won't be able to work remotely. And number two, let's see the first model which my modeler made. And here's what we have. I like this model, and I like that we have similar expectations for the style with this modeler. Of course I asked him to make models appropriately sized, so I don't have to set the scale to a low number, because this can mess things up and it is not recommended. But overall I like it. Today is Wednesday. I've been making some progress in my game, and I think I'll show it in the evening after the job and university. Today is Thursday and I'm working on the shop system. I forgot to show you the progress yesterday. Alright, let me show you what I've done. Start the project. Let's open the inventory. Here, it's gonna take a while to explain. Right now an axe is equipped, and I disabled its mesh render, so it's invisible, because currently in the game I have the new character model just put on top of the old model, and a temporary script which enables this new model to copy position and rotation of the old character. So there is an old character swinging that axe, and I wanted it to be invisible. Okay, now let's open the shop, and here we can see temporary weapons, temporary armor slots, and we can right now money is not involved, but we can buy. Let's buy this temp armor. Okay, I pressed it. Now open the inventory. It is in the inventory, we can put it on and nothing changes, but it will, and in the game it will be equipped. The beauty of this system is ease of its customization development. To create an item, I just create a scriptable object, put all the necessary information in here. Let's say new sword, select the prefabs and everything, and then put it in this container. Put it in here. No. We should see it. No. Okay, so the name has to be equal. Not the best solution, but not the worst. Okay, some news. First of all, problem yesterday was not because of the names, but because something that I haven't figured out yet. This is what I'm going to do. Secondly, my old artist, with whom I was making the tower defense / strategy game and the balloon game, is going to join us, and he will make all the 2D assets, UI and icons. Yes, and yesterday a modeler came to the office and he will begin to work in Monday, I think, and today is Friday. So I won't have as much time for my own stuff. By the way, this is my first time using Git with GitHub with another person, not just pushing to the origin my own. Let's see if we'll get any problems. Okay. No errors yet. Let's see what the modeler did. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is nice. Look at that swing. I wouldn't want to be hit with that axe. Okay, I like it, I like it. This will be a useful Git experience. Nice. I'm just imagining how cool that would be if this game for some reason succeeded and I could pay myself and 2 guys in my team. That would be so cool. I found what the error was. It just took me 5 minutes. Basically, when I start the menu scene, I check if I have 2 items which are stored in player prefs that are equipped, 1 weapon and an armor. I want to equip them. That's because I wanted the system to be automatic. So I call that function on the images of this armor and weapon. I will show them here. These 2 images, this one and this one. This is weapon and this is armor. But because I was getting the component, the image component in the start, and I was calling this function in the start, the image component wasn't set yet. So I could either change this to awake and it should work, or I can put the references in the inspector, which I did here. Now it works without problems, or at least I hope so. Let's buy something. Shop, let's buy this temp item number 3. Inventory, temp item 3. Okay, seems to work. What I'm going to do now is make this player the main character, and I will do it in the smart way. When you make a character, you want to create an empty game object, put all your scripts in it, and set the model as the child of this object. So you won't get in the situation like I am right now, and you could easily change the model anytime. Just set the reference to its animator, and you won't have to copy all the scripts to the new player and set its colliders and everything. I get so much more enjoyment from working on this project than the casual games that I made. This is already a very big bonus. Check this out. Test item, open shop, not enough money to buy it. Let's set its price to 0. Open again, shop, you can buy it. It is in inventory, no model yet, and this displacement of axe will be fixed. Going quite well.